All right, so today we are going to sharpen our mower blades. And to do that, we're going to use a vise to hold the blades. And of course, we have our blades. This comes from the zero turn here. And I'm going to get the blades off of the push mower over here. So I got this new vise from Hyper Tough, and there'll be a link for it in the description if you're interested in getting this particular unit. I did some research and it was reasonably priced and very durable. So if that's for you, well, there you go. So the first thing we're going to have to do is mount the vise on the table. So we'll go ahead and drill the holes and put the vise in. Okay, so I marked each pilot hole area where I'm going to put the pilot hole. And the pilot hole is just a teeny hole kind of to get it started, because it's harder to just use a big drill bit right out of the bottom. Oops. Let's make sure our pilot holes are good. First glance on that's for sure. Yeah, they're fine. Okay. So then we'll make a big hole, and it doesn't have to be exact because this is a bolt, but we want it to be sort of close to this guy's size, so it's not wiggling around in there. This looks pretty close, so we'll see. That's pretty close, but that's good enough. Wiggles a little bit, but it isn't bad. So I'm thinking the washer is going to go with the nut on the bottom here. This guy here, I should get my wrenches out and tighten it up real, solid. But I mean, that's in there good. So this tightens here, so you can loosen it and tighten it, so you can spin this around, or however you want it. That's fine. It's in there pretty good. Let's get the blade off this little mower, which is always a fun time. I've never taken it off of this one before, and it's probably going to be a doozy. So I don't know if it's counterclockwise or clockwise on this. But I'm going to do the counterclockwise first. Good grief. Alright, clean all that off. Find a good spot here. There. That looks like a good spot for that to hold. So now, if it's not counterclockwise, then I'm tightening it. So let's hope not, right? Man. So that's either. There we go. Man, they had that on there tight. Holy cow. And I'm using that as a lever. It was on there so tight. It's like almost not sure I was unscrewing it. Okay. That good little mower here. Oh, look at that blade though. Yeah, so this blade definitely needs to be cleaned up. That's what we're here to do today. Look at that guy. That is one dull blade. So this is the side we're supposed to be sharpening, but look how much material is missing on it. That's not good. This thing's taking a few hits. And you're supposed to just sharpen this side here, but I'll smooth that. Let's see what we got. Oh. Plug our Black & Decker grinder in. There'll be a link for the grinder and the vise in the description. Well, that's not great, this part here, but this is pretty good. That's really, golly, that took a hit right there. better than it was. With a damage like that, looking at maybe getting a new blade, but I mean, this is still gonna probably do a decent job cutting here. Let's do the other side. Hopefully it's not too bad. Pretty dinged up. This little guy's takes some damage. It's going over rock beds and stuff to get the weeds cut. Actually, a nice blade though. That'll do. Definitely better than it was. These jagged edges aren't great, but I mean, I hate you can just get it straight and then do it, but you gotta worry about the balance. You're taking off too much of the material. That should be fine. It's definitely gonna be sharper than it was. We don't want to make it too sharp because, you know, it weakens this edge too much. Not that it helped it before. I mean, when it hits a rock, it's gonna ding it, but good. I mean, this is definitely gonna be a lot better than it was. Anyway, let's put this guy back on. Oh no, which way? Well, luckily the square side's going on that. The round side goes on this. They don't have grass side on here to help stop doofy people from doing it the wrong way. It's alright. We're good. This guy is good. I was gonna try to do it on the lift things there, but it was just too difficult because the thing was too tight. Okay. Ooh, gotta be careful. That thing is, well, it's not a razor. That thing is still sharp as heck. Good way to clean the underside. Yeah, I think I got that pretty tight. Yeah, it's plenty tight right there. Ain't going anywhere. What a mess under here, huh? Yeah, I should clean this whole thing, but it's just gonna get dirty again. Right? Oh man, this is a mess. Nah, I should have brought something to clean that with. Okay, that's good.